Hello there, welcome to JAZDRAFT Studio. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can cut out this hair properly in an easy way. So from this image to this image, as you can see, I cut the hair properly. Let's zoom this in. It gives you the sharpness of the hair. By the way, I'm going to link this image on the description so you can practice along with the tutorials. So without further ado, let's get started. So open your Photoshop. Once it's open, drag the sample image into your workspace and drop it there. As you can see, it's opened the image. Press Ctrl 0 to fit on screen. Now we are going to select the girl. In order to select the girl, go to this tool palette and right-click on this selection tool and choose select the quick selection tool, or you can press W for the shortcut. Now we are going to select the girl. There are two ways to select the girl. It's either you want to select the background, and we are going to minus the selection from the background, this hair. Press Alt. Also the hair here. As you can see, we select the background. So in order to select the girl from the selected background, press Ctrl Shift I to invert the selection and select the girl instead. You can press also back again the Ctrl Shift I to select the unselected part, which is the background. That's one way to select a subject. So press Ctrl D, and the other option is to select the girl. The advantage of selecting the background is if you have a plain background, so it will be easy for you to select the background and invert the selection to select the object. As you can see, I selected some part here. If I selected the girl, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use this. I'm going to select the girl instead. Now I'm going to deselect some part here, but we will adjust that. Also press Alt to deselect this part and also this part, and here. So now after you've done that, click the refine edge. If you cannot find the refine edge here, go to select. Under select, you can find the refine edge here. In new version of Photoshop CC, the refine edge is no longer there. It changed to the button into select and mask, but it gives you the same option. So click on the refine edge, and once you click that, it will pop up this dialog box. Make sure you click on this and choose the on black, and click on the check on the smart object and make the radius into 9, and the size here change into 200, and start brushing on the hair. Now we are going to click on here and select that way. Also here, make a circle selection here, so it will remove the white there. Also here, the plus takes a sample of the selected part, and it will remove the unselected color there, which is the white. Also here, as you can see, it removes the white. Now we are going to check on this decontaminate colors, and make sure you choose click on this, you choose on the new layer with layer mask. So it will create on the new layer, and press OK. It will create a new layer here on the top of the background. As you can see, it creates a transparent background. When you zoom it, press Ctrl+, you can see the detail of the hair. You can see the details of the hair also here. Now press Ctrl 0 to fit on screen. We are going to add a background. Go click on this one to add a new layer. Make sure you select the background. Let me delete this. Press delete. Select the background. So when you create a layer, it will pop up on the top of the background because we are going to drop a color around. Click on this color picker and choose a color and choose this lighter blue. And in order to drop a color on the background or the transparent layer there, select this paint bucket tool. You can right click on it and choose the paint bucket tool and drop a color. As you can see, it shows the transparency of the image, the hair of the girl. And in order to zoom, press Ctrl plus, and to zoom out, press Ctrl minus. In order to pan around, press space bar, left click and drag, or you can use this tool. So this one. Press Ctrl 0 to fit on screen. Turn off this layer. Now we are going to save this image. Go to File, under File, Save As, and save as PNG, so it will give you a transparent image. So let's rename it to sample image edited and press save and click OK. Now we are going to compare the image. It is still saving. So this was the before and this is the after. As you can see, the image is transparent, the hair is properly cut. So I hope this tutorial helps you, and if you gone through the tutorials and you find difficulties, don't forget to comment below so I can assist you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.